Thinking of working part time with Uber Eats in 2025? Whether you are a student, a parent, or someone just looking to earn a little extra cash on the side, Uber Eats is one of the most flexible part time gigs out there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make the most of it without burning out or wasting your time. The beauty of Uber Eats is that you can log in and out whenever you want. There's no set schedule, but to make it worth your time, the key is knowing when to drive. Peak delivery hours are your best bet. Lunch 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and dinner 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Even if you can only spare a couple hours a day, doing it during these hot zones can help you earn more in less time. Next, make sure you're in a high demand area. If you're near malls, universities, downtowns, or clusters of fast food chains and restaurants, you'll get consistent orders. Use Uber In's app map to spot surge pricing in hotspots. You don't want to sit in a cold zone for 30 minutes waiting on one order. Working part time also means every delivery counts, so be picky with what you accept. If it's low pay and far distance, skip it. Focus on short, quick deliveries that pay well, especially ones with tip potential. Stack deliveries when it makes sense, but don't overload yourself and risk late drop offs. You can also take advantage of quests and boosts. Even as a part timer, Uber often gives you promos like complete 10 deliveries for extra $20. And that's a great way to stack your earnings fast, even if you're only driving 2 to 3 days a week. Lastly, keep track of your mileage and gas usage. Even part time drivers can write off expenses during tax seasons. Use apps like Everlance or Gridwise to track your trips. It will make your side hustle even more profitable in the long run. And now, if you're planning to start Uber Eats part time or you're already driving, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly gig tips. Drop a comment below letting me know your ideal part time schedule or how much you're aiming to earn each week. Let's help each other crush the gig life in 2025.